ScreenFlow, I have got some feedback for you. I'm not sure if you want it or not, if I'm that customer, but there's a few things that are driving me crazy. The first thing, the microphone, it just cuts, it doesn't record for the first second. I've got this Scarlett 2IP, 2i2 USB pack, and it doesn't record. But that's not the reason of this video. So I'm going to record my first video, right? 3, 2, 1. Hello, this is Paul. New YouTube video coming out on this lesson today. And I save that, right? So, I don't know if you can hear this. I'm going to... Hello, this is Paul. Alright, well, bizarrely that worked with a microphone. So it might have... I've just restarted my computer. That might have sorted it. But this is the issue I have, and I think you're going to have a lot with ScreenFlow users, is... A lot of YouTubers now will post YouTube videos in chapters and cut them out and want to do lessons and want to be able to timestamp stuff. So I will do my lesson and stop and then launch a new one. So I'll launch a new one here. In the first lesson, we're going to talk about blah, 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 right? And I teach the lesson and then I stop. Now, this is what I've got an issue with. I want to add, I don't want it to create a new document. I want to add here to this, whatever this lesson is, and I want to put it, I'm going to put lesson 1, right? And then I want it to add to the timeline here. I want it to add. Now, that tick box is very close to discard. I would, put OK here, or put discard, or put, are you sure you want to discard it? So what I do, if I come, I'll go lesson 1, and then if so often, I'm careful, but when you're in a rush and you just want to do your videos, and you do discard, the video's gone. You do that and the video's gone. There is nowhere to find it. It's gone. It's been discarded. You don't pop up a box saying, are you sure you want to discard it? I'll show you again. Same thing. Hello, it's Paul. Lesson 1. Here we go. Lesson 1. Add to timeline. And I'm going to click OK. But when you click discard, the video is gone. It's crazy that you've put this tick box so close to discard. And then OK. Right? Hello, it's Paul. Lesson 1. Here we go. And the microphone's working now, so I've just restarted my computer, so hopefully that's worked. Don't want to be that customer, don't want to be the pain in the arse, but it's just a feature that doesn't make sense to me, that you've got that discard button that has no double, are you sure? It's just discard, and it's right next to the OK button. It's next to the tick box and the OK. Please move it, or please edit it. I'm too clumsy for that button. Maybe other people are having that problem. Maybe other people are having problems with their microphones. Who knows? I love ScreenFlow. Use it all day, every day for my videos. It's just one little feature that I think it just would be so much better. Cheers.